Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cloud in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Cloud Strife from Final Fantasy VII is a formidable fighter known for his massive Buster Sword and powerful limit break ability. Learning his basic attacks and special moves is crucial for success. We'll cover how to charge and utilize his limit gauge effectively, ensuring you can unleash his most devastating attacks at the perfect moment. Get ready to elevate your gameplay with this iconic character. Cloud's special moves are key to his offensive strategy. Blade Beam is a fantastic projectile for keeping opponents at bay or finishing off a combo. Cross Slash is a powerful multi-hit attack that can rack up significant damage. Climb Hazard is your primary recovery tool, but it also serves as a decent upward attack. The real game changer is his limit break. Once charged, it supercharges all his special moves, making them incredibly potent and often leading to early knockouts. Cloud's grounded and aerial attacks offer a wide range of options. His forward tilt and down tilt are quick, low-commitment moves perfect for starting combos or maintaining pressure. His smash attacks, especially forward smash, have impressive reach and power, making them excellent for securing knockouts. In the air, neutral air and back air are your bread and butter for controlling space and edge guarding. Don't forget his down air, which can be a devastating spike if you land it just right. Recovery is crucial for Cloud, as his options can be somewhat linear. Climb Hazard is your primary vertical recovery, but remember it puts you into freefall after the second hit, so use it wisely. Combine it with your double jump to maximize your distance. When edge guarding, Cloud excels with his powerful aerials like back air and neutral air to intercept opponents trying to return to the stage. Always keep an eye on your limit gauge. A limit break Climb Hazard offers significantly more height and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.